Hi, my name is Thor Young. I'm a moderator, Bearable Traders.
Jared Champagne.
Megan Marlowe.
John.
Susan Rizzi.
Peter Donnelly.
Ardia Ziznia.
Mike Bear. I've retired in the Marine Corps as a Sergeant Major after 23 years of service.
As a software engineer.
A managing director.
Analyst at a wealth management firm.
Professional chef for many years.
IT industry.
I'm retired from the U.S. Army.
I'm a retired IT services executive. I work for a large multinational IT services company, as well as a globally recognized consulting firm.
At BBT, I'm a moderator first and foremost, so my main responsibility is being in the chat room, working with traders all day, every single day, as long as I'm in there. And then outside of that, I also help comprise and build the educational material at BBT.
I focus on the bigger picture, so trading higher time frames. I also run the lifestyle department, so what it takes to be the best trader and the best version of yourself in the markets, what you can do outside of the markets to benefit your trading.
In the military, you obviously live in an environment of discipline, and trading requires discipline and adherence to rules.
Trading can be somewhat of an individual business, but the growth and aspects of learning comes from individuals who have done the process before, who have some experience, and who can share their journey. You're just kind of picking up along the way and trying to build it yourself in your own personal style.